Sam from the Little Ferraro Kitchen, and today I am sharing a cooking tip with one of my favorite ingredients that might be new for some of you. It's citrus zest. I love using citrus zest. I use it in a whole bunch of things. I use it in marinades. I put it in my baking. I add it to salad dressings, and it's really nice, different layer of flavor compared to lemon juice. So what I have here is I have a beautiful bowl of Meyer lemons. If you get a chance to find Meyer lemons, buy them as quickly as you can because they're sweet and fragrant and they're absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so what I do with Zest is I have something called a microplane, and all I do is I take the lemon or whatever citrus you're doing and I just scrape it along the microplane. And what happens is all those beautiful skins get right under that, and you take that out and you add it to whatever recipe you're making. So I just keep doing that. I'll do that all over the lemon. And a few tips is when you are using the lemon zest, you only want to use the very outside layer of the citrus. Once you get to that white, which is called the pith, it gets a little bitter. So try to avoid that. And once you're done, all I like to do is roll it and then use a knife and cut it, and then use your citrus juice as you wish. Another tip I like to use lemon zest is if you have a vegetable peeler, you can do the same thing. So you can just take your peeler and you're just peeling that zest. And now you have this beautiful zest that you can add to a whole bunch of things. I add it to curries a lot and cocktails, curries and cocktails. But all those beautiful oils start to peek out, and that's that beautiful layer of citrus flavor that's a little bit different than the lemon juice. So that's my quick tip. If you are looking for more recipes to use citrus and zest, head to littleferrarokitchen.com.